Let's create a new listing using the simplified pricing tool in the listing form. After entering the title and relevant details about your item, we get to section 3. This is where the simplified pricing tool will help you set your pricing strategy. I'm setting the asking price here at $2,000. The bar to the right calculates my commission payout according to my plan. Next is the reserve discount, which is now a mandatory field in order to complete the listing. A reserve is the floor price you would be willing to accept on an item. Keep in mind, no one has access to this number except you. Here, you can choose a percentage from the drop down menu, and the bar to the right will calculate your payout upon the item selling at that price. Offers at or above this price will automatically be accepted. Next is where you will enter the trade discount. As you may know, Cherish has a large community of trade members who are buying for their clients. This discount is only shown to those who have been vetted and approved for our trade community. We recommend a reserve discount of 15 to 20% and a trade discount of 12%. It is important to note that a reserve price and a trade discount are not combined discounts.